look very center in camera, but very off center this table, so I definitely didn't set up the camera correctly. We're gonna keep going anyway. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy. It has been a hot minute since we have done an unboxing on this channel, and I am so freaking excited for this one, guys. Oh my god. In this magical blue shipping bag are a couple items that I have wanted for a pretty long time. I keep seeing different versions, different styles of these popping up, and I got really close to buying some a few months back. I can't remember the exact month. Quite a while ago, that I really loved. They were embroidered versus some of these are, I think, more screen printed on, which is fine. But I loved the embroidery. But then I found these on TikTok of all places. And while they are not embroidered, they do have a little extra with just the like base thing that I liked and wanted. So I ended up getting these. Finally, I had to satisfy myself. As I've been talking about on Twitter, my like hyper fixation with Marvel is 100% back. Not that I ever stopped liking Marvel, but because we're getting all these movies after so long of not having any movies, I'm like big on the hype train right now. I'm buying so many dumb things. So let's open my newest dumb things together. Yay! Oh my god. Ah, okay. A package. So it's got tissue paper wrapped around my items, and there's little stickers on it that say Happy Mail, which I think is super cute. Oh, and there's a little note. Okay, hold up. So very important, I think you get a care directions sheet, which if you've never had something like this, or really you just want to keep these in perfect condition for as long as you can, I think this is really important because everybody's stuff needs something a little bit different. So thank you. You also get a little note, which is for me to read. I'm gonna love them, don't worry. They said that I hope I love what's in here. I'm not gonna say it because you gotta see them. But I will, I just know it. I just know I will. And then like all their information on the back. You get a bunch of stickers. Okay, I'm into it. We got this, which is clearly Falcon or I guess, well, Captain America. But I wanted to specify Sam Captain America, and Bucky on the shield. We have Earth is closed today, which is funny. That's Tony Stark's line. And a hammer that says you are worthy on the bottom. And well, that's a great sentiment. I unfortunately don't think I'd be worthy enough to hold Thor's hammer. Like it would be a dream, but alas, I'm no Thor. Moving on from the depressing note of me not being able to hold Thor's hammer, let's open the actual goods. Oh my god. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Oh my god. Okay. There are two beautiful babies in here. Oh my god. We have one Barnes ever since 1917 with Brooklyn at the bottom, like gray sweater. I can't remember the exact color that it's called when I picked it out, but it is clearly a gray. And this is what I'm talking about with the little extras. It's got like his little arm shield symbol, and it says Brooklyn down here. I really like this. So if this is one of them, I think we can guess what the other one is. We have Rogers ever since 1918, Brooklyn again with his shield symbol in the middle in this really nice blue. I think that makes the white pop. I mean, the white also 100% pops on the gray. That's why I picked these two colors. So they look gorgeous. I believe both of these were unisex sizes, and I got a medium. Yes, medium for both. And it's cute. They even put their tag on the original tag, which is so adorable. These are quite, I mean, not super large. I think it's gonna be slightly oversized, but I am not opposed to oversized sweaters whatsoever. The inside is super soft of these sweaters, whatever they're choosing, like where they get these. Oh my God. Very, very nice. I love that. I originally didn't intend to buy both at once, but I was having such a hard time picking, even though Captain America is my boy, my top tier favorite. I've been really heavily into Bucky recently, and I think it's because he got a show and he didn't run off with a woman he only kissed once in a very stupid ending, but I digress. Anyway, so I was struggling, and then I felt bad at separating them, so I had to get both. I want to try these on. I want to stick these on my body. Just give me 1 sec. We're gonna do that. Okay, we have got the Rogers on, and these are not, I'm gonna try and stand a bit. 1 sec, let me tuck my chair in. These are not as oversized as I thought they would be. It is not a small, tight sweater, of course, which I prefer a little more room in my sweaters for sure, but it's also not massive. It's actually a comfortable oversize. I can hide my hands in the sleeves should I choose, but I also don't have to. This thing is so cozy. Oh my God. And the print looks great. It is really crisp front and center. Everything about it is pressed down super well. There's no bubbles. There's no edges coming up. There's no weird pattern in the white from it being pressed on. I don't know specifically, I can't remember how they do it. I feel like it's screen printing if I remember correctly. I don't think it's a Cricut, or I don't know. I could be 100% wrong. It could be a Cricut. I don't know. I just said I don't know 10 times in a row. That's great. Oh my God, but this is so good. It's a good length as well. Let me get about from behind. Look at that. Oh, okay. I am so in love, and I'm gonna end up living in these sweaters, I tell you. So let's go ahead and put Bucky on. It'll look the same, but I feel like he deserves the respect of also getting worn. So here we go. So I definitely like the blue color on me better than I like the look of the gray. Now, that is not to say anything bad about the gray. I just personally prefer the blue, but also blue would make far less sense for Bucky. So I'm not upset. I'm just saying I love the blue. Obviously it is the exact same type of sweater, so it fits the exact same nice arms. Everything is super soft and cozy. The neck doesn't feel tight or restricting like I have had with some sweaters, which is amazing. And of course the screen printing looks just as good as this first one. It's perfect. No bubbling, no weird edges, etc, etc, etc. Same as I just said. These are amazing quality sweaters. Oh my God. Since this one is off now, for anyone curious about the inside, it's this very fuzzy, fluffy, soft, and as you can see, all the edges are super, super finished and closed. This is wherever they're getting these sweaters, very, very good quality. They're not buying cheap stuff to put their image on. This is very, very worthwhile sweater. I would just buy a sweater like this, so that's good. It's very warm in my house, but I refuse to take this sweater off, so I'm gonna die a little bit, so be it. So would I recommend Kindness and Confetti Supply Co? That is so cute. I actually didn't register that that was the name, but that is really, really cute. Would I recommend? Abso-friggin-lutely. I would 100% recommend. If you've been looking at this type of sweater, I would definitely go check out their Etsy. There's lots of other options and sweaters. I'm pretty sure I remember a Loki one of these, which I feel like I also need. Or was that somebody else's? I don't know. But there were certainly other I don't know what type of, what is this? Like a Letterman type? I know what a Letterman jacket is and this isn't it, but that school thing. Anyways, if you want this type of sweater, I super recommend. Very good quality, very comfortable. Again, I got a medium and it's just a little bit oversized, but not too much. So that's what I recommend. Don't go too big. I did, last time I was looking at my listing to just check what I had picked, I found that their store was on hold for a bit as they were catching up with a bunch of orders. As of filming, I don't know if that is still true, but I will put down here while I'm editing if it is still temporarily closed or not. I recommend waiting for it to open again. I certainly will be because I want more of these sweaters. And as well, they've got an Instagram and I'm pretty sure a TikTok. It's not listed here. This might be old. but I feel like I definitely originally saw them on TikTok. I will put down below if they also have that as well, because I have the memory of a goldfish. All right, everybody, that is my official unboxing of these Marvel University whatever sweaters. I don't know. If these have an official name, please tell me, because I'm an idiot and I don't know what they are. Wait, did it say on here what they are? It just says crew necks, which is the type of sweater. It's like this, I want to know. Okay, moving on. Let me know down below if you were to get one of these sweaters, whose name you would want across your chest. And if you get one, also please tell me. That would be very exciting. All right, everybody, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!